Summer Rain Channel. Today's episode, we are on our way to the northern part of Lebanon for a nature adventure. Do you have a wild guess what's this nature wonder we are about to explore? Cross finger that this is something magical to compensate our long drive. By the way, we are told that this place is perfect during spring. Let's find out why. And since this is our first time to have gone here, we are up for a lot of surprises.
Ayun guys, andito tayo sa Baatara. Ayan, sobrang lamig pa din guys. Kung napapansin nyo, may nakikita pa din tayong snow ng konti-unti. Pero sobrang lamig pa rin guys dahil ang panahon ngayon ay medyo cloudy. Ayan guys, kasama natin si Sir Will.
Thank you.
Will Galyenieto.
Mag-i-enjoy tayo kasama ngayon si Summer Rain. Itong napakabait nating advisor.
Ayan.
Please follow and share mga videos nila.
Yes, and follow also guys to Will Galyenieto. At ito yung kanyang wife niya guys, yung naka-red. Ayan, si Ma'am G and mga kasama sa
Hello, Small. Nandito na kami sa Laude.
Big Laude? Na po kami. Big Laude na kami.
at syempre si Ma'am Cha.
Big Laude.
Malamig, ma'am?
Very much.
Yo, isang ting-ting-ting.
Welcome to Baatara Gorge. We're going down to the waterfalls area. And, you know, there is a breathtaking view in there.
Ayan si Ma'am. Ma'am Cha.
Yes. Nagbabayad na po ba? Diba?
Feels like I'm going insane.
I have some
Finally, we are here with a couple of lovely friends, and if you are a nature lover, stay where you are, for this place is for you too. As a matter of fact, some of our companions already been here once, which means that this enigmatic place wins the hearts of those who set foot in here.
Come on, baby, come on, let's go.
Guys, before we knew it, we are slowly heading towards the said waterfall, which is about a couple of steps away. And the way down there is not difficult because of this rocky design trail with a railing, which is perfect for its kind of slippery today due to the patches of snow around, making this place wet and freezing. But nothing to worry, for we came here ready with our winter OOTD. Snows are already melting in here, meaning there are enough water that will drop into the sinkhole. What a timing!
Ayan guys, ilang milya kaya itong ating lalakarin patungo sa amazing view na sinasabi kanina ni Mang Ferma kasi galing na sila dito. So tayo, it's our first time guys.
So, ayun guys, pupunta tayo doon sa falls. Titingnan natin kung marami bang tubig. So, kailangan dito guys, titingin talaga tayo sa pinag-istipan natin guys dahil medyo pababa.
So I wanna get to know you right here and now. I got trapped in your touch the moment you took my hand. Let me over.
First time dito, R?
First time!
Ma'am Cha.
So ayun guys, nasa bungad na tayo ng Baatara Falls. And lalapitan natin ito guys dahil accessible naman siya. At if you are coming here, you should be very careful. But the trail is really good guys ha. Ano siya, may mga railings naman. So hindi tayo basta-basta madudulas. And the weather now is very good. Umaraw siya bigla kasi kanina medyo makulimlim.
That I'll enjoy. Move a little bit closer now to some place where there ain't no crowd.
So off we go, and from our vantage point, we already have a vision of the waterfall and of the sinkhole. And while entering the vicinity, we see to it that nothing leaves unnoticed. And here we go, as we look around, the stone formation of the mountain surrounding the waterfall catches our attention. Will you guys agree that every detail of it is perfectly carved naturally?
Nakikita nyo pa yung falls na nakikita ko. Ayan na, napakaganda.
And this place is called the Baatara Gorge Falls or Baatara Gorge Sinkhole here in Chatine, Lebanon near Balaa, where a breathtaking waterfall is the main attraction, with an impressive water that drops 255 meters into the Balaa Pathole, a cave of Jurassic limestone, also known as the Cave of the Three Bridges Chasm.
Yan. Diba? So nice and beautiful. The place is really secluded.
And before we get overwhelmed, let's go closer to the waterfall. And since we are here on this kind of weather, we are extra careful, for this place is not equipped with a standard safety measures. Honestly, the place is not safe, especially in the crater of this gorgeous falls, because only an iron railing is what I got to simply remind everyone not to go beyond. Therefore, we cannot take a closer look on what's down on the bottom and has no plans of doing so. God only knows what awaits us in case we slip. Despite the alluring beauty of it, we wouldn't wanted to fall into the chasm.
May Mia Carol sa Canada, may Baatara Gorge Falls, sa Lebanon, shout out sa river.
Ayun guys, nalapitan din natin itong falls na ito. Ayan, hindi lang natin masilip guys kung gaano kalalim, din walang safety na tsaka madulas yung mga dito bato. At nakikita nyo naman guys, mayroon pang konting snow, kaya delikado pag lumapit. Gusto ko sanang silipin yung botas kung gaano siya kalalim.
Guys, nasa bunganga na po tayo ng Baatara Gorge Falls. And as you guys can see, talaga namang siya ay kamangha-mangha. What's the feelings that you're here for the first time? You're here for how many years? Pero ngayon ka na nakarating dito.
Ngayon lang po nakarating. Amazing.
Yes, amazing.
It's awesome.
Ganda, diba?
Yeah.
Another safety issue that troubles us is the lack of railing on the side of the huge sinkhole, which is adjacent to the waterfall. That's why to anyone who wanted to come here, please practice safety before pleasure, for it's more fun to have a safe adventure. Especially nowadays, we are selfie addict, and this kind of place usually pushes our boundaries to prove a point of being a social media enthusiast. But guys, we cannot blame anyone who takes risks, for this place is indeed beyond magical. Everything that's in here makes this place a must-visit touristic spot of Lebanon, and we thank God for this great opportunity of seeing one of His beautiful creation. Truly, the time we spent coming over here and the effort we exerted are all worth it. Plus, wherever we aim our eyes into, the scenery is so captivating that ignited our paparazzi identity. As you guys can see, all of us are busy taking as many pictures as we can and posing on every corner.
Wantusawa tayo dito sa pagkuha ng larawan sa likod mismo ng Baatara Gorge Falls. At kita naman natin ang ating mga kasamahan ay talagang selfie is life.
And I can't deny how badly I need you now.
What added the beauty of the Baatara Gorge Falls is the snow. Kasi nakahabol pa tayo sa snow dito ngayong time na to na pumunta tayo. So, amazing pala siya guys. Not good also kung marami pa ang snow kasi the place is really dangerous. Kita naman natin, sinkhole din tayo lalapag if in case of accidents and everything. So, sa lahat ng mga pupunta dito, please be safe always. Practice safety. Ingat-ingat dahil yung dadaanan talaga is very siya guys, nakakatakot for me. Punta tayo dun sa another beautiful spot kung saan maganda kuhanan ng picture kasi kitang-kita yung Baatara Gorge Falls. Kasi yun naman talaga kailangan pag pumunta tayo sa isang lugar, meron tayong ebidensya that we're here. So, isa na dito yung place na to. It is really situated. Parang ginawa talaga siya. Made para talaga magpa-picture tayo.
Ito yung area na to na napakagandang puhunan ng mga picture. So, ayan, pwedeng pumila dito guys pag magpa-picture. Ayan, asra alep, wahad surahon.
Asra sa left, bas?
Bas,
Asra sa lumpak.
O, saan na yung nakolekta mo?
so, wala pa tayong nakulik guys. Ayan guys, itong napakagandang spot guys para kunan ng picture. Alright, mag-group picture kami guys. Ayan.
All I see is your face, but you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shoots me into space, and
Welcome to Baatara Gorge Falls! banda pa din sa vantage point na to, ang Baatara Gorge Falls. At this time, nakita natin kung saan pababa yung water. And kasi nga, tinatawag itong sinkhole na falls ng Lebanon.
Yun guys, nag-enjoy ang ating mga kasama na kumuha ng picture sa area na yan guys dahil napakaganda. Alright, mayroon din tayong mga nakikitang ibang nagpunta dito guys. Ayan. At mga ibang lahi, ayan, nag-enjoy din sila dito. Selfie din sila guys.
Those eyes kept following me. Something popped in my brain. No, baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane, and only you.
Parang ayaw ko na umuwi. Guys, dito na lang. Nakakaano yung beauty niya. Parang we are like namamagnetize sa kagandahan. Talagang ang nature is really beautiful. Yung beauty niya talaga is really, I cannot explain it guys. No words can explain the beauty behind me. The Baatara Gorge Falls really emits a magical aura. Kita naman natin, nagpa-fog siya doon dahil medyo makulimlim na. And as we are telling a while ago, there is still enough snow. Kaya nagpa-fog siya. And there is enough water. Nakikita natin. So I think it's beautiful when you come here during this weather.
And ocean's blue. Baby, come on, baby, come on, let's go.
Okay guys, ayan, tapos na tayo dito. So, aakyat na tayo uli guys. Ayan, sa ating mga kababayan, sa mga hindi pa nakapasyal dito sa Baatara Falls, pwede kayong masyal dito guys. Kaya lang, kunting ingat lang dahil lalo na ngayon, napakadulas dahil may mga snow pa kasi guys. Basa palagi yung bato dito na dinadaanan namin. So medyo delikado. Solid guys yung punta natin dito ngayon. Dahil kung napapansin nyo, ito guys, napaligiran tayo ng mga bato. Ang gaganda ng mga rock formation dito guys. Talagang parang sinadya siya. Yan guys, paakyat na tayo. Uwian na.
Something popped in my brain. No, baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane, and
Guys,
only
nabawasan yung taba ko.
Pagod na talaga guys. Daddy, what are you doing? Yan guys.
Come on, baby.
Kayo ng sapatos kasi maputik yung mga nadaanan. Pag nakakita kayo ng snow guys, para hindi maputik na yung sapatos pag uwi nyo, yan, linisin nyo na dito pa lang. Yan, okay na. Ayun guys, tapos na tayo at na-enjoy naman natin yung view. So let's go na, let's go. Uwi na.
So guys, that was all for today's episode. We are done here in this magical Baatara Gorge Falls. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay connected, stay safe, and God bless us all.
I got trapped in your eyes the moment you looked at me. From across the room, those eyes kept following